Kuliah pun fibro kisah tip nam tai Khubor Laitkam tai kidon kumba pra Tylli post kibalat kibade pok office of the district medical and health officer West Jaintia Hill district tai kini bro kide purely on contractual basis mo tai kita post kilong medical officer non kam arngut tulok long rupo hajar fixed monthly remuneration given past MBBS degree and duly registered with the Medical Council of India. 1 to 2 years of work experience in the field of healthcare can never be below 65 year age limit. Tenem ta GNM dan South League post kibalan arpo hajar katulop 3 years GNM given pass with GNM duly registered with Meghalaya Nursing Council. 1 to 2 year of work experience can never be below 37 years. ANM are the league post katulop rekat nyo jar sanspa 2 years diploma in auxiliary nursing midwifery and duly registered with the Meghalaya Nursing Council kanero 1 to 2 year of work experience below 37 years ka age limit. Tehang nela daban batai lupa kumno submit interested candidate can submit the scan application in soft copy. Tegi scan ni dokumen baro ha soft copy te silaban send. But kaboy dara qualification baro kin kamro experience certificate and passport size photograph in PDF format. Hakan nega application kebaong HR application wjh@gmail.com. Pila ban send lang ba kay email lane pila ban like submit hapok office jongka district medical and health officer West Jaintia Hill Joy. Kabadon na po latalabo. And then to or today office of Dunsan with along with contact number in a sealed envelope. Envelope clearly mentioning the post applied for on or before the 7 July 2023 by 4 p.m. Class date kade 7 July mo. Application of candidate with incomplete documents and without the essential qualification as mentioned above will be rejected. For the post of NM, candidate with degree of GNM, BSc Nursing and MSc Nursing are not eligible to apply. Ya ka NM, ANM kiyo baitang kiba ladab ya ka NM kini kiba de naga GNM BSc Nursing but MSc Nursing kim la man apply ya ka ANM. Application received after the last date 7 July 2023 up to 4 p.m. will be immediately rejected. Kinsa reject mo kiba submit last date plat aga new terjulai haduk saw baji kinsa reject baik. Jadi kita kiba ko apply select ya ka bodon kam. Tangin de jemput college pun.